guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Life of Alex W. So just a quick intro. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform from a bum to a baddie. I'll be sure to put all the details below in the video and of course in the comment or description box down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love and let's get into this look. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little scarf off. And I did throw me just some little throwback braids up in here. I'm just gonna take my Got To Be Glue spray real quick. I'm sorry, gel real quick, and kind of push those back so that they don't get snatched. Okay, let's go ahead and throw this wig cap on. And my wig cap is like extremely light, so I'm definitely going to put some foundation on here. I'm just using an NYX foundation. You can use the foundation of your choice. Okay, so I got this down. I'm gonna spray my Got To Be Glue spray on here. And you wanna be careful with this. This can tend to leak down. You don't want it to get like all the way in the middle of your forehead. So try to start spraying back this way. And then kind of just let the spray drip down. Okay, so I have my unit. This is the Unice unit. It's gonna be my second time wearing this unit. The first time I wore it, I just kept it in its natural state, in its natural color. Today, I did come and put a rinse on it. I just wanted like a darker wig, and plus darker hair just looks more natural to me. This hair was kind of iffy towards the ends, so I wanted to make it a little bit darker. So let me go ahead and see where I'm gonna place it. I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Active, and I'm just going to place a few dots right here at the top so that I know where I'm placing my wig. I'm just going to place just a few against that hairline. Okay, so we're done with the hair for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get to my face and knock that out the way, and then we'll revisit this unit. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick and then the rest of my face. So I want this to be voiceover. I don't know. I'm trying to do this just really quick. I am wearing like a orange dress today, so I'm gonna do just like a basic beat, but with just a little bit of glam. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. And we're just going to put this all on before we do our foundation. Today I'm going to be wearing the Too Faced Born This Way Matte 24 Hour Foundation. Just going to put some here, there, and there. And we're gonna go with our concealer and contour a little bit. So I am using a lighter concealer on the inner corner of my eyes just to add more of a pop in this area. Give me a more awake look. We're gonna go all over those spots with some setting powder. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Pretty Rich by Too Faced, and I'm going to be using Oh That's Rich and It's Cashmere. Okay guys, the wig is finally laid. I am done. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I go from a bum to a baddie look real quick. I am running out the door. I am running out of time. So be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to my channel, not your channel. Either way, I mean, comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.